Hi, see the video of JBL T300A headphones unboxing. As you see, this is the box from JBL. It's a pure bass with microphone, and it has a microphone for receiving and attending calls. It is compatible for PC, tablet, iPhone, any phone, Android, like that. And it has a bass, everything, and it works with almost all devices. And let's see inside the box how it could be. As you can see, the box has been taken out. This is the JBL speaker, and it has a logo in the top. It's JBL. It is very soft and it looks very nice, and it will note. And you can see over here, this is the headphone, and it has a flip type, so it is good for the ears. And also they are giving a pouch, so you can take anywhere while you travel, like that. And it's a nylon pouch, it's very soft, and even you just flip it like this and you can put. And it has a 1.2 mm cable, 1.2 meter cable, and it has 3.5 mm jack, and it has JBL written on there. And let's see how it works. Most probably it will work fine, and especially it's a bass speaker for phones, pure bass from JBL. Hope I enjoy this video. You enjoy this video. Thank you.